Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine and good. So, today let's start up with our second unit, that is the cock and the sun. So, it is a moral story. Do your duty or work, never give excuses, never gossip, be punctual are the sum of the hidden moral of a following story. These are the hidden moral of a following story. Do your duty. So you should do your homework regularly without fail. Never give excuses. You should not give any excuses regarding your studies. You should be up to date. Never gossip. You should not gossip. Be punctual. You should be punctual and be in a time. So, children, take out your pencil and underline the difficult words. Let's start up with our story, The Cock and the Sun. So, what are the characters in this story? Let's see. Cock, sun, peacock, donkey, bee, parrot, elephant, lion, fox, and the owl are the characters in this story. Okay, children. So let's start. Once the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds in the forest to know them personally. So, what the sun wanted? Once the sun wanted to meet all the birds and animals in the forest. Why did he wanted to meet all the animals and birds? He wanted to know them and make friendship with them personally. So, who gets up early in the morning? The cock and the sun. Here, all the animals are staying together in the forest. One day, what the sun thought? The sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds. Why did the sun wanted to meet? Because he wanted to make friendship with all the animals and birds. Who wanted to make friendship, children? The sun wanted to make friendship. So, the sun. Where do you see the sun, children? We can see the sun in the sky, isn't it? Can see the sun in the sky. Okay, children. So, what is cock? Here, cock is a male gender of the bird. Okay, we have two category, male and female. Here, the cock is a male gender of the bird. The female gender is called hen. The male gender is called cock. Here, the cock is also known as rooster. What is rooster? Why it is called as rooster? Because when we get up before the sunrise, what do you hear? We can hear the sound of the cock, isn't it? It is alarm for some of the people. Okay, children. So the sun is called rooster. So he asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest at 6 o'clock the next morning. So what did the sun said? He said to gather near the big rock in the forest at what time? At 6 o'clock in the early morning. Because he wanted to meet all the birds and animals, isn't it? So he planned to keep one meeting in the forest near the rock at 6 o'clock early morning. So the leaves were happy to hear the sun would be out, but the animals had their own views. They started expressing their ideas. Okay, what happened? Here, the leaves are very happy because early in the morning, the leaves will shine after the sunrise. The plants and trees need water and sunlight, isn't it? Yes, water and sunlight are very essential or necessary to the plants to grow. So here the leaves were very happy to see the sun in the early morning. If the sun doesn't rise, what will happen? Can you live without sunlight? No, we cannot live without sunlight, isn't it? So here the leaves are very happy to meet the sun. But what happened? But the animals had their own views. So they started gossips. They started talking each other. They started to tell why the sun wanted to meet, why he is calling all the animals and birds to talk, why they are started to talk. They started the conversation with each other. Why the sun called us? So Next, they started expressing their own ideas. What did they do? They started expressing their own ideas. They conveyed their own views. So in the morning, it was the turn of the beautiful peacock to start a discussion. You have seen peacock, children. It is a beautiful bird, isn't it? It is a national bird of India. Have you seen peacock anyway? I hope so. Many would have seen peacock in the zoos, in the forest. It is a beautiful animal, isn't it? It is a beautiful and colorful bird. It is a pride of India because peacock is our national bird, isn't it? Yeah. Discussion. Here it is a turn of the peacock to discuss. Discussion means what? Discussion means talking about something. Okay. So peacock. Mr. Donkey, please don't wait for me. It is very cold. I want to warm myself up. I will sleep for a while. What the peacock telling? Peacock telling, please you don't wait for me because it is very cold. I don't get up early in the morning. So I will warm first myself. I will sleep for a while and then I will join the meeting. Who is telling? Peacock is telling to the donkey here, Mr. Donkey. So Peacock is telling, don't wait for me. It is very cold in the early morning, isn't it? So the peacock don't want to go in the early morning because it is very cold. He wanted to warm herself and then wanted to go. So next, donkey. Oh, what do you think? I plan to go right now. The sun may not come out at 6 o'clock. I will slowly get ready and go. I will go at 8 o'clock. After hearing peacock, what the donkey is telling here? Let's see. What did the donkey tell here, donkey? Even I am not going early in the morning. Who will go early in the morning at 6 o'clock? Because it is very cold here. The sun will not come early because it is very cold. So even I will go slowly after getting ready. I will go slowly at 8 o'clock. He fixed his own time. 8 o'clock. Next. B. So then I think I can collect some honey before I start. Later I'll attend the meeting. Here B means honey bee. So what the honey bee is telling? Honey bee tells that even I'll also not go early. I have some work. What the work honey bee has? They will collect the honey from the flowers. Isn't it? Honey bee say, I have work. After my work, I will go to the meeting. I will attend the meeting. So next character can see here. It is parrot. Let me go to the field and let me go to the field and collect some food grains first. There are so many fruits to be tasted. I'll also reach by 8 o'clock. Here, by hearing this, parrot also tells same. What the parrot tells? Children, have you seen the parrot? What is the color of the parrot here? It may be in green, it may be in a mixed color. Isn't it? Most of have seen parrot, right? The beak of the parrot, it is red in color. You can see here colorful parrot in this picture. It is very beautiful to see. Same like peacock, isn't it? So what the parrot is telling here? Let me go to the field first and collect some food grains. Let me collect some food for me. There are so many fruits to be tasted. There are so many fruits in the trees waiting for me. I'll first collect the food, then I'll reach at 8 o'clock. He also fixed his own time, 8 o'clock, same like donkey. Next is elephant. It comes the turn elephant. Let's see what the elephant tells. Yes, my first work is to take bath. I will go to the river. It is quite far. Is anybody interested in coming with me? So here, elephant. Have you seen elephant? It is a very big and huge animal, isn't it? It has a tusk and trunk. So it is a friendly animal, children. You can see the elephant in the zoo. Where you will see the elephant? You can see it in the zoo and the forest, isn't it? Hope you have seen the elephant. You have watched it in TV also, isn't it? If you show love and care to the animals, it will become your friends, right? Same like elephant will become your friend if you give a care and love to the elephant also. What the elephant tells here? He said that first I have to take bath. For that he has to go to the river. I need to take a bath. For that first he has to go to the river. Where is the river? It is so far. He has to walk for a mile, quite far away from the forest. So he has to walk till there and take a bath. Even he is asking anybody is interested to come with him to the river. So basically you can see the rivers and the ponds will be in the center of the forest. So you can see the elephants enjoy their bath in the rivers. They enjoy in the water, isn't it? They play in the water for a long time. So next character is lion. So lion, I would rather go by myself. I am the king of the forest. Other animals should gather first. I'll come after all of you. Next is that's the turn of our lion, that the king of the jungle. I don't meet anyone. I don't want to meet anyone to. I don't want to want. What the king is telling, I don't want anyone to come with me. I will come later after when you all gather. The lion tells in the pride. Why? He is a king of a jungle. So he is telling in with this pride. He is not interested in anyone, inviting anyone to come with him. The lion is telling all the animals should come first and should wait for me. Then I will reach there. So next. Fox, I am the chief minister. I will go with the king. What the fox is telling? Cunning bird. He is very clever here. The fox is telling that I am the chief minister. I will go with the king. So I am the chief minister. So I will come with the lion, with the king. Next, owl. You think of who should go first. What do you know? I am tired. So I was busy catching mice the whole night. I want to take rest now. What the owl is telling? Our last character is owl. So you can see only owls. We can see owls only during night. You cannot see the owls at daytime. Okay. So it comes out only at night. The owl tells who should go first. I was busy catching the mice whole night, so now I want to take rest. So I am very tired. I was busy in catching mice whole night. So now I am tired, so I want to take some rest. As I told before, the sun. Next, after this, let's see who will come first. When the sun rose in the sky, only a cock was waiting for him. The cock was waiting for him. The cock, who was not interested in such talk, had arrived in time. He was habituated to rising early and waiting for the sun. He did the same that day too. Slowly all the other animals and birds gather after an hour. So what here? Who will come first here? As I told before, the sunrise, the cock will start crowing. Before the sun rise, the cock was waiting the sun near the rock. So here, when the sun came, only the cock was waiting near the rock. Not all the animals came by late after the sun rises. So the sun was very happy and praised the cock for its punctuality. All the animals and birds felt ashamed. They had not expressed expected the turn of events in this way. The sun also announced the reward. So here what happened, the sun was very happy and praised that the cock had come early. He is a punctual, he came in a time. So he praised means something is good and should be admired. Praise means something is good thing happened. So here the sun is very happy because the cock was in a time. All the animals felt ashamed in front of the sun and the cock. So if even in the school also, if the teacher will punish those who come late, isn't it? If you are early, they will appreciate you, isn't it, children? Same like here the cock was early, so he got a reward. Let's see what the reward. Son, from now on the cock will welcome me every morning. Here is your reward. He placed a crown on the cock's head. It came to be known as the comb. Even today the cock crows as the sun rises. His grand comb also is attractive. What the reward of the cock here? The sun announces his reward. He granted the sun will grant him with the crown. He placed a crown on the cock's head. You can see a crown here on the cock's head, isn't it? See, look how beautiful it is. It come to know that it is called a comb. The crown is called as comb. Okay. Even today the cock crows as the sun rises, isn't it? You will hear the crowing of the cock when the sun rises. So here ashamed, all the other animals felt ashamed. Ashamed means feeling guilty. Okay. In front of everyone, the sun appreciated the cock. So all the other animals felt ashamed. So the sun said, placed a crown on the head and said, you should welcome me by crowing all the day. Okay. Crowing means sound made by the cock. So what do you learn from this, children? As I said, the moral of the story: do your duty, never give excuses, never gossip, be punctual. Okay.